Hello and welcome to the weekend edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Dancehall artist Jada Kingdom recently shared some touching details about her musical journey. In this behind-the-scenes video that was posted online yesterday, Jada shed some light on the challenges she faced while pursuing her music career and how she overcame.
Over the years, I was a question myself if I really can do this or if I really I can make it or, And then I get to realize that nobody can, do it for me but me. So I decide to stop listening to negativity.
In the heartfelt video, she also shared the inspiration behind her new hit single, Win.
Win was inspired by abundant humility. I felt like I was walking around with this huge void every day, and I would just get frustrated because I never understand what it was.
Windy Thrown to Coffee's lockdown to secure the #1 spot on streaming platform YouTube. Win has also gained over 1.6 million streams since it was released in late July. The track aims to motivate her fans about overcoming obstacles they may come across. Love that one.
Every time I feel can't do no different. Swear me off a win. That's why I'ma try again.
Now, on the international scene, Megan Thee Stallion has opened up about her recent shooting incident. After more than a month of speculation, the rapper went live last night on social media site Instagram to clear the air.
Yes, this Tory shot me. You shot me. And you got your publicists and your people going to these blogs lying.
After the incident unfolded, Megan shared this release on her Instagram, stating that she was never arrested and that the whole experience was an eye-opener and a blessing in disguise. She added that she hated the fact that it took an experience like this for her to learn how to protect her energy. In a now deleted Instagram video, Megan had also shared photos of her injured foot after many refused to believe that she was shot. Tory Lanez has been tight-lipped about the incident. And Fame Frequency's virtual party series returns tomorrow night for Club Then and Now, an era battle where the Captain Colin Hines and DJ Franco will take on the 80s and 90s versus Jelly the DJ and DJ Rodwick with the 2000s. Fame Frequency Club Then versus Now. Which era will rule the frequency? I know. Join on RETV, Fame 95 FM, Hits 92 FM, and stream on One Spot Media and RETV's YouTube page, and then right here on TVJ at 10:45 p.m. See you tomorrow. That's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.